Here we are looking at a new floor plan for 2024 Entegra totes, the Athem 37K. It's 38 feet, 2 inches in overall length, Spartan chassis, and you can see the additional details right there. Beautiful paint scheme, full body paint, beautiful windshield right there. Here's the view of the floor plan, right here. Okay, and here we have the bays. Now you see these bays have push button controls here for unlocking, and you see there that should be closing, but it's not. So there you go. This one has got a Camco refrigerator freezer on a pull-out tray, and here is a pull-out tray rolling out there. And that bay lined with carpet, and another bay right here, and here are your starting batteries here, and your engine, like your oil filter, and your your filter for your air brake system. Here's your def tank, and this is your power short cord reel on this side, as well as your docking lights. And here is your macerator hose for your sewer. And here is the opposite side of that slide-out tray. It does actually have a power slide-out on this tray. So you see, it goes back in, and I think actually, see, the nice thing about these controls are, if you keep pushing it in, it's not going to keep going out the other side. You have an Ultra Hot 450D here on the other side of this coach. Now here is your wet bay. Here you've got your integrated Entegra freshwater hose, your tank valves, and your whole house filter, as well as your shower controls here. Now here is your fuel tank here. I'm not sure the capacity. Here is your outside controls for your leveling system here. And there's a little light switch here to see what you're doing in case it's night. And also you actually have your generator slide extended right back here. So you can be all the way in the back of the coach and extend your generator. Well, it's actually in the front. Sorry, folks. But that's how you open your generator door right here. Now let's go inside and see what's in here in this beautiful new model here for Entegra. Wow, let's see. Oh, it's Marie.
Yeah, you know, I always love Entegra. They always have such neat stuff and knobs. And I had to sit here before Ben got over here and started playing with the switches. But, you know, first they have this lovely large screen, touch screen, as you can see, with the radio backup and everything.
Well, you actually control everything. You got your shades, your controls here.
See, I told you folks, he already found it.
And your GPS control too. I kind of like this in terms of your shades, that you actually can control them from here. I just select them here, and actually one button will actually bring both of them down like that.
Yeah. There we go.
One button, see, on either side.
All right, well,
one button is bringing them both down.
Well, let's put them back up.
And let's put them back up.
And there's also one over the door.
Yes.
Okay. See, I knew you'd start playing with the buttons.
Yeah. Now,
in the meantime, we do have our air conditioning controls here. We have a little drawer here. Now you got another screen for your speedometer, your gas gauge, etc. right here. Nice big. Now this Spartan chassis has so many things on the steering wheel. It's like more buttons than I want to handle. They have the lights and windshield wipers, the horn. Over here they do have your cruise control, and over here they have, you can also switch your source and stuff for your screen over here.
As well as your menu navigation on the digital range.
Right. Now also on the side here, there's some additional buttons, and you know, I looked down and I just forgot what they were.
Well, they're volume, media, mute.
And over here you have your suspension controls, I believe.
Okay. I can't see what it
Yes.
is, but
Then you also have your drive neutral over here.
Yeah.
You have a wireless remote here for, not a wireless remote, a wireless charger for your phone. You have a drink holder, and you got some lights, battery boost, and such here. Additionally, you've got some more switches down here for your lights and your air.
the parking brake.
Thank you. Okay. Now, also these seats, they do swivel, and on top of that, both seats have recliners in them. And look at the switches here on the side. You can go up, down, sideways, backwards. Probably spins in a circle. I just
It
can't
also
find
has
that button.
seat heat too.
Yes, I mean they're really, really great. They go, it's all the way out. Now going up to the top here, we do have a cabinet next to the TV set, and then we have another cabinet here, and we also have another one to the side. This one you can't really use because it's got
Has
fused
your
stuff
circuit
behind it.
breakers right there.
I keep saying fused, it says circuit breakers. I don't know why, I'm
Well, here's your
old-fashioned, I
line guard
guess.
satellite and your AC override switches here, and just in case your touchscreen should fail.
Right. Now going behind here, over to the sofa. Again, you do have some cabinets here, and it is one large cabinet with 4 doors, so you can pass through stuff. You have this lovely, so the middle seat here is stationary. The rest are recliners. They are electric, and they do have places for you to plug in your phone. Now, I don't see any drink holders, unfortunately, or anything like that. So that's what's missing with this, you
Well,
know.
the outlets are behind you on either side. It looks like here's the TV lift on that side.
Right.
Across
But,
the way.
you know, I like to have coffee, watch the news in the morning. You know, I really would miss the cup holder. There is a little space here. You can put a cup on this side, but it's missing on the other side.
Now, interesting enough, there's a little touch screen over here for your basic controls for lights, etc. And above, we have a booth dinette here, and above there, we have 3 cabinets. It actually is one big cabinet, but there's actually a bit of a step in the middle where the Bluetooth soundbar is. Your HDMI switch box and a Blu-ray player is right there as well. And what do we have here besides that?
We do have 2 cabinets on either side of the TV, which is on a televator. The shelf in the middle there is adjustable. And we do have a table, along with this lovely dinette booth. There is storage under, Ben's playing with toys again. I think they had that up so they could show people the TV was there, dear.
Well, I figured we want to show people this actually has a window behind it, so while you don't have the TV up or you're watching it, you can look out at your patio.
Okay.
And actually what's really impressive about this is, unlike some TVs, this one goes up really quickly. I mean, this is real time, not sped up, folks. So you can see it goes up there, and what do you know? It's up there.
Okay. You do have some storage underneath the seats.
Yes, and there's drawers on both sides.
Yes, I'll see if I can open that for you.
There's
There you
actually,
go. And there's also an outlet there.
that's actually kind of different. I don't think I've ever seen a cabinet underneath a booth dinette like that.
Yeah, usually there isn't one underneath in that booth. Now turning around on this floor here, this is kind of neat. They did a tiled picture of the United States flag. It's really cool. I don't know who did it, but it's really nice. They do have a fireplace, and I thought this was a drawer, and it was. See, a small little drawer here for your remotes or whatever.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, moving into the kitchen. Let's go across the top first.
All right.
We do have some adjustable shelves and another adjustable shelf, good place for glasses and dishes and such. Above the microwave, you also have a small little pull-up here, which really is kind of useless. There's
Actually, this has
something there.
This actually has a cover.
Okay,
This goes over the induction cooktop here.
like this.
So you store it right over your induction cooktop.
I got my fingers under there.
Oh, sorry. Put it down. I want to see what it looks like. We can leave it that way. Let them play with it. And there's a beautiful finish on this sink here. It's like a gray cast. You know, I'm not sure if it's metal or ceramic. But another really handy thing is you've got 2 little cabinets, a spice cabinet on either side of this beautiful window right here in the middle. We also, interesting enough, looks like we have instant hot water dispenser as well as a soap dispenser right here with this pull-out sink.
And also the induction stove top that you made me cover.
Well, I said that before I put it on it.
Okay,
See, I'm not the only person who forgets what some of the other person said.
I'm sorry, I'm just so used to ignoring you.
Oh, no, that's old.
Okay, we have 3 drawers.
I'm going to cut that out for sure.
Oh, jeez. So we have 3 drawers. They're kind of tight, being
Unless you
brand
really
new.
want me to keep that in there.
Okay, Fans, why don't you tell him if he leaves it in that you like it? There you go. You've got your sponge drawer here.
What exactly is that on the left side?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you know what it is? I think it's some sort of like drop off into the
Trash can?
trash
Yeah.
can.
Interesting.
That's very, I don't think I've ever seen that before. So basically, if you just want to dump something right in there, right from the sink, you scrape something off from your dishes, whatever, you scrape it right in here. Though I just imagine that get dirty pretty quickly.
Yeah, I mean, maybe paper towels or something, because then it also could catch on here and you'd have to clean in there. I wouldn't like that. But I guess it's good for some things. And you have 3 more drawers here. Okay, that one I cannot open. And here's a drawer here. There you go, Ben got it. Utensil drawer. And a nice little slide tray to put more stuff under
I was
it.
just supposed to realize, thinking it was just a false panel.
There's another one that's tight too.
They're nice and tight there.
Yeah, they're nice and tight. Like I said, new coaches, everything's working good.
You don't have to worry about that flying open on the road.
Right. Over here we have a pantry.
Did you know that was there?
Of course.
No, is this actually a door? or
This
is
one
that
I
just
did not
false
find,
panel?
and I'll double check. I did not find any way to open, so I think there's a
Must be an
panel
access-
behind it.
yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway,
You do have your screen here.
the touch screen for all your lights and electrical options and fans and slide outs and other settings there. It's pretty cool. And there's your home button. There you go.
Okay, and we do have some more storage for your pantry right here with adjustable shelves on this side. So that's kind of nice. Okay, we do have, depending which way you want to go, right next to the induction top stove here, we have a residential refrigerator with 2 doors on the top and 2 doors on the bottom. This divider, you can change the size
Drawers or
and
drawers?
drawers. What's the difference between a door and a drawer?
Okay, folks, if you want to debate the answer, leave a comment below.
Now, you think about it. Dog doors, they go up and down like that, just like these two, right?
Well, so do duck wings.
What do duck wings have to do with drawers? And
They flap up and down.
Okay, moving on. See what I have to put up with? Okay, we do have storage above the sink. There are 3 fixed shelves there, and then of course you have your circuit breakers and such here with a little extra storage there. Got a nice countertop here for some extra storage. You do have a sponge drawer again in the bathroom. Ben's still waiting to hear your answers on why would you have a sponge drawer in the bathroom. And there we go. We have a fixed shelf there below the sink. Now we do have a shower. Before we get to the shower, we got a couple I can't say it. Cubby holes next to the
Why don't we
sink.
cubby? It's just a,
And they are adjustable.
it's a shelf unit with its 2 adjustable shelves.
Well, when they're stuck in there like that, I consider them cubbies. I don't know.
Well, here basically, your lights right here, your ceiling lights, there, right there. There's also, I guess, let's see, lit up, whatever, fan down, whatever. So it shows you actually what your tanks are. And you can actually stream brightness here. But your ceiling lights here, it turns out your accent lights here. And the thing is, it's kind of dark in the shower here, but very big shower. Let's see, let's try this out.
Okay, now the door doesn't open all the way as it hits the toilet over on this side.
Okay, well,
It does have a
what are the
seat.
merits for that? But height-wise, very, very comfortable. Can't tell by this, but I'd say this is pretty close to this. So I'd say the shower is an 8 out of 10. And you might ask, why is it 8 out of 10? Well, aside from the fact that it's got the guillotine bar up here, the shower door doesn't open all the way. It hits the shower door.
The toilet door.
It's kind of annoying.
The toilet, not the shower door.
Well, okay, it's the shower door hits the toilet,
I don't
okay?
know. Alrighty.
The early bird gets the worm. It flows off the tongue like that.
Okay, let's move into the bedroom. King size bed. Oh!
And it's got a step up.
And you caught that
That's
on
where you
film
just
naturally,
found
right?
out.
And we don't cut this out, folks. That was real. Okay, there is a step up here, folks. And, wow.
Important safety tip. You all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right. We
It's
have
just now I gotta get
big-
back up.
One big cabinet here with 3 doors in front over the bed. And let's see what's underneath here. We actually have a touchscreen under here. And I'm not exactly sure what that is. I'm not exactly sure. It's that old button here, so I don't know what that's for. So if you know what that's for, let us know. But
I see a plug-in over on this side, but I don't see any USB ports.
no USB ports here
On
that I
that side
can
either?
see. Nothing
Not on the side of the bed either.
A lower technology touch, I guess. Just
Okay, we do have a ceiling fan.
a ceiling fan, which I'm not really a fan of.
Can you stand under that one?
Let's see.
Actually, you can't. Oh, nope, it hit your hat.
I hit my hat.
I guess
so
you'd have to be barefooted and no hat, and you would just make it.
I just made it, but I don't have to worry about getting cranium damage.
We do have a cedar-lined closet over here.
Ouch. I
Watch,
know.
watch.
I have the same problem with the step with my foot.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Well,
And then
beautiful mirrors,
yeah, isn't that
nonetheless.
pretty? Isn't that pretty? That's the mirror doors to the
Now,
closet.
what do we have in front of you there?
Now this slides.
It slides.
And you have
we
your
a
washer and
Whirlpool
dryer.
Stackable washer and dryer here. And yeah, see, there you go. And
We do have some adjustable shelves here.
now this obviously is not a wardrobe here. There's no bar up top.
There is no bar.
And
huh?
there
But you
is-
had the big wardrobe in the back there that we just
There
showed
you go, duh.
Okay. And then you actually have 2 cabinets on each side under the shelving unit.
2 cabinets,
2 drawers.
2 drawers.
What's
Okay.
the difference between a drawer and a cabinet?
She does this more than I do, Phil.
Is that lateral and straight out? I'm going to look up the definition when we get back.
Well, drawers generally you open, you pull out,
Right.
slide out. A cabinet you open a door to, but it doesn't move out like a drawer does.
So basically, whether it's lateral or a horizontal or vertical moving, huh?
All right, well, we have a Bluetooth soundbar here.
With 2 really large drawers, not real long, but right underneath the shelf here and above there is the egress window. And out there, looking at the view, we see the salesman and some other people. Ben's trying to see if the TV opens. And there you go, there's a safe behind it.
And once again, I feel much better. I feel so safe.
I needed to feel safe before I tripped on the rise there.
Yes. All right, well, that's this Entegra couch. We thank you for watching and tolerating our humor. It's almost like ice cream, but it's not necessarily good humor. We thank you so much for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe if I didn't say that already. And have a great day. And remember to always open the door to adventures.
And start all your journeys with,
The RVTs.
but don't trip.